Hello guys, this is Pat Gadget. This is the unboxing for and installing for LEGO DC Super Villains. Welcome to my channel, and it's been a long time since we upload some videos, and hopefully we can continue this for a while. I like this game, because it's been playing a lot of LEGO games already, and I like it very much, because it's so entertaining, and like and then there's a lot of characters involved in it in one video game. That's why I like it very much. And this is the front cover of LEGO DC Villain. This is the back side of it, and yeah, let's open it now. What guys do you think about LEGO games? Do you like it? Yeah, I like it too, very much also. Let's see the inside of it. Oh, what's this one? Cheat codes. Okay. And this one, the end user license agreement, and this is the cartridge. So let's install it now. I hope it doesn't. So doesn't then so how many hours should be for it to download it? Okay. Let's pause it for a while. Uh, 31, 32%. It's faster than before, because it's the download controls it. The super being played uses communication feature. 44%, 5, 6, 7. don't skip this one part, but yeah. But it's good to see how faster it is to download. And hopefully you're not gonna skip it. But yeah, that's okay. At least it's started. There's not sure yes. I hope we can play this one together. Cover this. There you go, and there you have it. I hope you can play this on my viewing map. Oops. And then, so guys, that's the review for. Thank you for watching Lego DC Surveillance review and unboxing and installing. And I hope you have idea what you expect from it. Hopefully, it's very exciting and fun to play in it. Yeah, this is the review for Lego DC Surveillance. And don't forget to subscribe, follow my channel, and subscribe. But yeah, I hope we can see another review for another game. And thank you very much for watching. Thank you.